Hey guys, welcome to our little demo of the additions that we have on Comunda and our MinIO backend. Here is what I'm going to kind of demonstrate. You see that we have here the Comunda portal open. We are not logged in, this is important. And then we're browsing a dataset here, the Tesla home network dataset uploaded by Wes Cardecker. You can see that we have added a link in the bottom of the dataset, and you can see the name of the link here. The name of the link points to our MinIO backend, and it's a commonly used name. So the idea is we can give out the link freely, but if someone hasn't logged in to Comunda and does not have our proper cookie set, then they wouldn't be able to access that link. To prove that, I'm going to try to click that link and I should get an access denied. Okay. Once I do that, I'm going to start our token service here, which is a Golang program that serves an API that validates and generates tokens for us. And then we're going to log in Comunda, see the token generation, click on the link, see the token validation, and actually get access to the data on the link. So let's try that. First, I'm going to click the dataset, and I'm getting an access denied here. I'm going to start our token service, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to log in Comunda. I'm logging in using my Google credentials. We see that there is a generate request on our token service once we logged in, and I'm going to go back to the same dataset. Also notice that down here that I have my cookies. Now that I click on Comunda, I should find the MinIO token indeed cookie over here, and that MinIO token cookie has the token that was given to us by generate. You see that also we have some head requests on the validate endpoint, not a post request yet because we haven't actually tried to click on the link, but MinIO periodically checks that our validate endpoint works. So we go back to the same link down here. Now we're logged in, you see, with my Google credentials. And we see the same link to the dataset over here, right? Now once I click on it, you will notice that nothing will actually happen because it's running over HTTP, and Chrome has a problem with insecure downloads, according to their opinion. Although it's just a local MinIO running here, so it's fine running over HTTP. So I'm going to click it, but notice that I'm not going to get an access denied here. And we see that there is a post validate, and I didn't get an access denied. However, I will need to right click here, copy link address, and then open the link again. And now you're going to see that it's going to ask me, do you want to download this dataset? I consider it an insecure download because it's over HTTP. I'm going to say I'm fine with it, and it downloaded the dataset. So that's our small demo, and thank you for watching.